Are you too shy to sell? I feel you. When I was single, I was too shy to approach people and to sell to them. I thought that I could not succeed as a businesswoman. Pero after my first baby was born and my salary was not enough for my baby's milk formula, kinapalan ko ang mukha ko at nagtanong ako sa isa kong cottager kung saan siya bumibili ng rice and if she wanted to buy rice from me. Dahil nakabenta ako sa kanya, my other cottagers got attracted and bumili din sila sa akin. And it was there that I learned na hindi pala mahirap ang magbenta. I just needed to ask questions. And if hindi siya interested, I can always ask somebody else. So as an introvert who finds it hard to make new friends, I have proven that business success is not just about being loud or outgoing. Shy people can approach people one at a time. And when we get scared or discouraged, all we need to do is just connect with our big why. Ask ourselves, why are we in business again? And then we become courageous again. And that's how we can be business-minded Pinoy.